Alright, so here are two Trane XR units at an empty house in this neighborhood. Here's this one. It looks kind of new. Here's the fan motor. It looks like a broad ocean. Trane XR. It's probably a 2024 unit. It's not a 2025. If it did, it wouldn't say this XR because they don't make that anymore. So, yeah, it looks like it has an LG scroll compressor. Yep. June of 2024. 3.5 ton. It's R410A refrigerant. 14 series. Uh-oh, the cap's loose. That's super safe. But it has not been running. It's not a heat pump. And here's this one. It's running. And this is probably the same. Looks like it has a Alliance scroll compressor. It's working great. It's also an air conditioner. Yeah, it's working amazing. This one might have a Gentrack fan motor. Where's the data sheet? Oh, here it is. Oh, this one's older. February of 2023. 3 ton. Alright. So yeah, there was a 2024, 3.5 ton Trane XR 14 and a 2023 3 ton Trane XR 14 heat pumps. Air conditioners. Yeah, thank you all for watching. I'll see you on the next one.